So there we go, people. In this video, this lady, it's gonna run finally proper, how it should. Okay, she starts, but it's really difficult to start it. And the battery is dead and a few other things. So let's get to it. Yeah, let's go. So voila. And right now, I'm going to start with this. So gas tank, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take the carburetors out and swap it up for the earlier model. Why? Because this later model, they have this shock system, you see? And that system, every year and a half, max 2, you need to change it. There is a rubber, and that rubber, I don't know why, that's at least my experience, they go bad like really quickly. So that and some other things, and that's why we're gonna convert to the concentrics. So let's start from there and then take it on. Yeah. Okay, so there we go. Here is the carburetor, the new one. Okay, then here I have the new rubbers. This one goes here. Here I missed the O-ring, but okay, that's not a problem. This goes like this, tack. Okay, so there you go. You have one, and here at the back, to build this one. Okay, and tack. This is the conversion of this one. So hopefully it's on camera and it's good to see, but this is the idea. So let's build that up. Let's go. So I open up this one and now I was checking, and actually this one, it's a little bit too long. If I use it like this, let's see if I want to go in. It just barely, you see, touching. So yeah, this is not going to work. This one is too long, and actually it should be straight forward, not like this. So let's see what I can do. Yeah. So one is good to go. But this one, it just jumped out of the clamp, you can see, and it's all damaged. So I cannot use it because it's, yeah, you can see it. So I need to order a new one. Yeah, unfortunately. So that's what it should look like, okay? And now I'm gonna modify it like a rubber here so it works, and I can close this. So I was building this one, putting this one back, but I noticed here just a tiny little spot. See there? So yeah, I'm gonna change it and yeah, keep on going. Okay, so right now let's try to show it. Let's see. First of all, this spark plug, I took it out and it has a lot of oil in it, like way too much. Give me a second. There you go. Okay, so that's not good, people. Okay, but I saw something else. When I turned around the engine, I heard this sound. I'm like, something is loose. Look at the play that this one has. That's way too much. So you can see it there at the back, okay, the push rod. You see? So let's adjust all the valves, okay, and then see next. Yeah. So yeah, everything is ready, and I was checking now the oil, and actually the oil is pretty low. It's about just under the airbox. So yeah, because I took out this one and I saw it was fully dry. So I guess the carburetor is full with oil, I guess, and otherwise it's just pretty low in oil. It's about just about here somewhere. Still a lot of oil, so that's no problem, but not ideal to see it like this. So let's see, let's start it, or try to, and see how she does. I got you. So that's not good. The problem. I finally got this one, and yes, I cut my hair. Okay, from time to time, must have happened. So let's see. I finally got this one. Okay, unfortunately, I couldn't buy it again because it was out of stock, and at the end, yeah, a client made it for me actually, Miller. So we exchanged some work. I did this. He did this for me. I did something for him. So voila. Right now I have this rubber that actually is coming from this one. Okay. Unfortunately, I couldn't buy only this. So this is gonna be the one that goes in here. That originally is just a piece of foam, but this is gonna be rubber. So voila. Okay, it's gonna be like this, and it's good to go. So let's build everything, change the lights, front and rear, test the bike, and hopefully I'm done. So let's go. So I found something new. Unfortunately, when I was tying up this one, and I just double check here, okay, if everything is tight, and guess what? Look at that. You see it? It's moving from here. So this one is loose. So I'm gonna take everything out, put some Loctite on this one, tie it up pretty good, and that's it. That one, the other one is not moving. I tested out already. Nothing happening there, but in this one, yes. So let's fix that. So let's see how she does. I need to adjust the carburetor again, I guess, because that one was open, so for sure was leaking some air or something. So let's see. Oh, of course, she's leaking through the middle, yeah, and in between. So let's put 2 clamps more. So let's see. Right now it's not leaking anymore. Okay, so they are dead now. So voila. Let's try to start it and adjust the carburetor. voila, now the bike is done. So if you like to help the channel, remember you can do so by buy me a coffee, okay? And sorry the videos take so long again. If you saw my previous video, you know that now I want a beginning and end of a video, so the video is gonna take longer to make, okay? So sorry about that, but I'm still here. So okay, see you in the next one. Ciao ciao.